Oh, sabi ko sa'yo, pinos mo, record ulit, umulit to.
Ha?
Umulit.
Mulit?
Oh. Okay, this is the start of the second quarter. Oh, foul, look at that, it's a foul. Don't you know what a foul means? You prick.
Fine shit, man.
Oh, still by the Firestorm.
Now, Osiris have a co-host. Named Mark Luis Owen. Yeah. Now?
Oh, a foul again, a foul. Luis.
What the hell is that? Shit. Titignan ko lang.
Okay, another free throw. Not shoot, not shoot. Oh, a steal again by the Firestorm. A pass inside, a shot inside, but no good. A foul, a foul. A foul.
Sapar ko. Hindi na ako susunod. Harap! Ito na kinakalaban ng tapos na dito. Ay!
Oh, what the hell is that? Nice steal by Domingiano. Nice pass, but nice not shot by. Hey, Mike, look here, man. Nice steal, but nice not shot, eh? Video to video. Okay, sir. I'm sorry. A steal by the Sapphires. Oh, rebound by Fire. Wag, Luis.
Nandulas lang ako.
Bitch. Wag. Okay, a turnover by the Firestorm. Sorry, it's too very far. I'm changing views. Oh, it's a traveling call. A turnover by the Sapphires. Firestorm. Yeah. Okay, I'll just stay here. It's very too drizzy. Dito. Dito raw, sabi ni Coach. Okay, I'm back where I belong. Time out by the Sapphires. There's the referee. It's our teacher. See, he's nice in basketball. See, like that. He's nice. Huh? Time out yun?
Wala ko tapos na. Gandang bilis. Ganda rin eh.
Anong bell?
Ay, walang ano? Kring.
Hiniram lang natin ito eh.
Ito, wala pa yung score oh. Pwede naman.
Okay, this score, Sapphire 10, Firestorm 9. It's a very low scoring game, but it's okay. It's alright. It's Bitwater.
Okay. Mag-flip top muna si Torres. Pakitaan kayo. Yan na. Mag-flip top na. Yan na.
A handsome guy, but covering the damn game.
Under team.
Alam mo, Torres, masyadong mayabang. Alam mo, ako'y isang taong gubat. Isang
Tama na
taong
Pipito.
Torres.
Tama na
He's-
Pipito. Dahil ang mukha mo,
Hey, you're covering the damn game.
Meron pa palama sa'yo. Tama na Pipito. Dahil ang mukha mo yung mukhang pinirito. Oh, ikaw nga. Oh, negro, Bisaya. Huwag ka nang magsalita dahil sa puwet ka pa lang. Wala ka.
Oh!
God!
A turnover again by the Firestorm.
The camera is so... Flip top.
Yeah.
Tama, negrong Bisaya.
That is all of movement. Oh my God, what's
Tama
that?
na.
What
Oh.
are those?
No, mukha mo yung mukhang Bisaya.
Hey, ano ba yan?
Gandang bata yun. Napakatingin kay Mark.
Ano?
Maganda dito, Austin. Sino yung sasabihin? Ay, tanga.
Buhok mo dyan, Sen. Ano ba yan? Ang dadami yung mukha. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Sige na, Torres. Ikaw na.
Firestorm ball. I did not catch the action, but what the fuck?
Alam mo, Luni, hindi ako nag-practice. Sorry, talaga nag-practice. Hindi. Pinarinig siya. Sorry. Hindi talaga ako nag-practice.
What the hell is happening here? I think it's a foul. Oh, a missed layup. Is that rare?
Una, ikaw nang magaling. Ikaw nang gwapo kasi hindi mo ay 3 kilo.
A traveling call. A traveling call. A turnover by the Firestorm.
So yung ano kay target.
Nice crossover move. Oh! Nice shot! 3 points by EG Sagatan.
Wala ba announcer? The 2 points. Ako announcer.
Ako sa Sapphire, ikaw sa Sapphire.